Now the mix that I'm going to use to plant the micro tomatoes in, first component is sphagnum peat moss. That's always a good place to start with mix. Now when growing tomatoes at this stage, when we're going to step up the plants, this is about 2 cubic feet right here. I always add dolomite. Dolomite is magnesium, calcium. I always add this to every mix I do, and I generally use 2 cups, so I'm going to use a pint jar of dolomite for 2 cubic feet. And I like using the pelletized dolomite rather than the pulverized, only because there's less dust in volume, though we do see some dust there. And then I always, when we do a mix, I always add a half a cup of Osmocote to every cubic foot. So I've got 2 cubic feet here, so I'm going to add 1 cup of Osmocote. And I really like that because that gives us a nice consistent nutrient release as the tomato transplants are growing. And then I just go in here and I'm just going to mix it up by hand. You know, this is one of the jobs where I wish I would just go get one of those small little electric cement mixers and then just throw everything in there and let it turn it on, let it do the mixing. Kind of saves, you know, getting dirty hands, but that's what we do as far as the mix goes. And then just going to go ahead and fill these fill pots up like this. Now I'll just fill them up about like that.
If you're growing in real conditions and want better results, subscribe and grow along with me. This is Real World Horticulture.